This is how you find a tax lien or tax deed list for free in your local market. What you do is go to Google. Now I want you to go ahead and type in tax lien list, your city and state, or tax delinquent list, your city and state, or tax deed list, if you're in a tax deed area, your city and state. Do that. Go to Google, do that. That will send you to a website or two. Click on that link, because lots of times in your specific area, sometimes an attorney is handling the tax delinquent properties or whatnot, or a particular service is handling whatever tax lien or tax deed property. So tax lien list, your city and state, tax deed list, your city and state. Do that, type it in, you'll find your list for free.